Hi, this is Luke from Toto Parts Pro. Today we have 2024 Chery Tiggo 8 Pro, stock number 7294. It's ran from the 3rd, 2024 to the current shape. There's an SQR E4 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is the SQR E4 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left-hand headlight, left front guard, left front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left-hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left-hand tail light, right-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right-hand door mirror, right-hand headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen, sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,